After years of saving New York, having multiple failed relations, Peter's now become desperate to find the love of his life. But he is not dating as Peter Parker. Instead, he is dating as Spider-Man. And the girl is a stand-up comedian, Rebecca London. She is new to New York, and on her first day in this city, she was mugged. But luckily, Spider-Man saves her, knocks out the thug, and seeing Spidey's sense of humor and funny attitude, the girl asks him on a date and throws her business card, hoping it would stick to Spidey's body. As the cops show up, Rebecca leaves. She doesn't want any trouble now. She is late for her show. Ant-Man was also there, and as she leaves, Ant-Man tells Peter he should marry that girl. Everyone knows how bad Peter is in case of love. So the next day, Peter meets Rebecca in a restaurant. It is their first date, and Peter appears in his costume, only wearing a coat. He can't even afford to buy a coffee, hoping they will give him free, as he saved this city multiple times. On her phone, Rebecca sees the article about superheroes, especially Spidey, destroying public properties. It's from Daily Bugle. Spidey gets upset every time he tries to do something good. Jameson ruined them, so Rebecca tells him to cheer up. She also figures out Spidey is single, but when they are talking, a customer at the cafe gets angry about his order, and before he creates a mess, Spidey quickly stops him with his whip. But this backfires. The man gets angrier because the whip ruins his expensive jacket. Spidey awkwardly apologizes, assures him the web will dissolve after some time, but the argument escalates. The man accuses Spidey of causing trouble, brought outside food into the cafe, which isn't allowed. Spidey gets embarrassed. Everything is expensive in this cafe, but there he sees Johnny Storm, and Peter gets mad. He's supposed to looking after his sister, Teresa, but before he could continue this date, Spidey gets a phone call from Ironheart. She wants to talk. It's about Kingpin. So Peter leaves Rebecca in that restaurant, goes to deal with Kingpin. But 2 days later, Spidey shows up in her show, and he is not alone. His sister, Teresa, is with him. Spidey needs her help. He asks Rebecca if she can hide Teresa from the FBI, but Rebecca turns him down, reminding Spider-Man she doesn't want to involve. She's not going to be that friend who gets kidnapped by a lizard man or turned into a goblin. She enjoyed his company. Spidey is funny, but she can't risk her own life, and that's the end of their relation. Peter hopes that this time it will work, but it seems he always having a bad luck in a steady relationship. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.